now in focus, D.C.'s migrant crisis and what the district is doing about it. This is new information on this story our team has really been following closely for weeks now.
Yeah, families continue to arrive on buses from border states like Texas and Arizona, and recently they were dropped off right outside the home of Vice President Kamala Harris in Northwest D.C.
Yeah, our Casey Nolan is here tonight. And Casey, the D.C. Council is moving forward with a plan to try and help these people, right?
Yeah, that's right. The mayor's office says the governors of Texas and Arizona have now bused more than 9,000 people to D.C. Today, the D.C. Council created the new Office of Migrant Services to help them. But some worry the council may have also created new problems for people who already live here.
I think the entire country is watching what we are doing and how we are responding.
For the past 5 months, the GOP governors of Texas and Arizona have bused an estimated 9,400 migrants from the southern border to the nation's capital. Mayor Muriel Bowser calls it a humanitarian crisis. D.C. council members say it's a political stunt using people as pawns. And Tuesday, they passed legislation to create the Office of Migrant Services. It allows the mayor to use $10 million in contingency funds to provide asylum seekers with temporary housing, health care, and other services like food and education.
This bill feels like the bill that would have been written on May 1st. Without a significant understanding of the problem.
Advocates who have scraped together the nonprofit response for migrants so far fear this new legislation is written in a way that it could deny services to immigrants who already call D.C. home by lumping them into a category that only qualifies for temporary benefits.
Our desire is that D.C. government does spend some of the contingency funds, but does so in a way that doesn't harm long-term residents of D.C., doesn't harm people currently experiencing homelessness in D.C.
What we are doing today does not exclude folks from accessing services or shelter. It directs them to the appropriate services and shelter.
Now, because this was emergency legislation, this new office is only authorized for 90 days. Council members promised today they will be back next month to keep working on the concerns they heard today and to work towards a long-term solution. Meanwhile, they say an average of 50 more migrants are arriving every day in the district. So
9,400 people over this short period of time. It sounds like the D.C. Council is going to have to move a little faster. Casey, thank you. And